Here in sunny Southern California, we get the same boring, majestic, beautiful Instagram-ready weather day in and day out. That's awesome for us who live in Southern California, but for our filmmakers, it can be a little bit of a nuisance. Take a look to your left-hand side as we show you a little demonstration of rain, thunder, and lightning. That thunder that you're hearing are speakers hidden into the set. The lightning, large arc strobe lights on top of the set out of the camera's vehicle. Now I take the 405 home, so hopefully just for the demonstration, not for the rest of the day, a little bit of rain. Ooh, ah. Now for the rain, it's a completely different technology. It's really high tech. It's called sprinklers. Thanks. I'll be here all week. Literally, that's my work schedule. Now, during the black and white era of filming, they would add powdered milk or ink to the water. That way you're able to see the rain on camera. We can cut the water now, folks. Hey guys, we can cut the water now. Gladys, what's happening? I mean, we all saw that gnarly turn down the hill that our driver Gladys made. If they don't cut the water, we can get a Backlot! Ladies and gentlemen, that was our flash flood, or what we call in the South Bay, a gnarly wave, bruh.